EXL is always improving to provide you with the best in product safety and quality. Every EXL product has a unique barcode that records its source and logistic flow. The barcode that is visible to the human eye is for scanning to trace product flow. Product safety is EXL's top priority. To prevent product tampering, we have added a new security feature, a marking that is printed using invisible infrared ink technology that is printed randomly on each box. In general, the human eye can only detect light wavelengths from about 400 to 700 nanometers, and therefore cannot see infrared light. Infrared ink fluoresces at light wavelengths above 700 nanometers. Infrared ink requires a stimulation frequency and an emission frequency. To spot the infrared ink, you have to shine the correct stimulation frequency, and you need a special infrared light scanner to spot the specific emission frequency. If the incorrect stimulation frequency is used, the infrared ink will not emit any light, or the light it emits will be too weak. If a broad spectrum light is used, it will muddle the emission frequency and the infrared ink cannot be detected. Infrared ink formulations can be coded. You can use combinations of different stimulation frequencies and emission frequencies. The result is that you need a scanner set up to the right frequencies as the infrared inks to properly read the ink. EXL uses an infrared ink that is specially formulated for a set of scanners in EXL's possession. Besides the barcode printed on the product box, where are the other barcodes printed? The infrared ink is randomly printed on the box. It can be printed anywhere on the box, even on printed patterns. It cannot be seen without a special scanner. Will the infrared ink be unreadable upon contact with rain, water, or if it's placed in a hot place? The infrared ink is pressure and heat stable, and will still be readable even after contact with water or if stored in a hot place. Can the infrared ink be removed with alcohol or acetone? The infrared ink holds up against acetone and alcohol. Can the infrared ink be scraped off? No, the infrared ink is embedded into the fibers of the product box. Scraping the box will not remove the embedded ink. The use of advanced infrared ink technology helps us to better trace our products and protect our distributors and their consumers from counterfeit products. Product safety is our top priority. Please enjoy our products with peace of mind.